What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be another install, and it begins the phase 1 of Chrome Delete. I'm going to be installing overlays. I started already with the tailgate. I was going to move on and do the Tacoma on the driver's side, and then I realized, I was like, I should really wash my truck because there was just dirt all in here, just around it. So, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, I officially start deleting all the chrome from my truck. First phase is going to be the emblems. I have the Tacoma on both sides, plus just the V6 in the back. I gotta remove my tailgate pad. And yeah, it's pretty simple. All you really need to do is just get some rubbing alcohol and paper towel. Just clean it off real quick, make sure the surface is clean, and then it will stick on with the double-sided tape, 3M, I believe. Maybe just a knockoff of the 3M. Yeah, because I don't see any 3M on it. So I did get these off of Amazon. Yeah, they're the Amazon special. But they were only like 40 bucks, I believe. Link will be in the description to these if you guys want to buy them. Honestly, it's pretty good quality. Like, it's not flimsy at all whatsoever, so that's going to be a plus. But yeah, it's simple. It's just a double-sided tape that you just peel and then you stick on, and this is going to be the V6 for the tailgate, and then the two Tacomas, one on each side. But now that I'm here, I might as well just take off the tailgate pad and do this. It may seem like if I'm rushing it, and to be honest, I really am. Because I forgot to charge my camera, and with the little bit of juice that I have, I'm not sure if I'll be able to knock it out. I'm gonna clean this with rubbing alcohol and a paper towel. Peel this. Just stick it on. Just like that. And then apply some even pressure. Cool. And just like that, it's on there. Looks way better with the blacked out emblems, in my opinion. So now I'm gonna do the same thing over here. So have a bit of rubbing alcohol on this. So I'm gonna just wipe this down. The sticky tape is only gonna be on the surface, so that's really the only thing you should really clean. You don't gotta go in the crevices and stuff like that. Although I should have cleaned, or I should have washed the truck. So let me put you on the tripod and I'll show you guys how to do the passenger side, and then we'll move to the driver's side, and it's all done. Literally, this is like a 30-second mod. Okay, I'm probably over exaggerating, maybe a minute. You could get this done easy. Alright, so you're just gonna take it out of the package. It's just ABS plastic, double-sided tape, just a generic one. It's not really 3M, there's no logos indicating it's 3M. But anyways, this is the passenger side, and as you can tell, it's gonna go right on, and to be honest, it's like pretty like accurate. There's no room for error. There's no play at all either, which is pretty good in my opinion for being Amazon. So you're just gonna peel these off, or peel off the red, and then just go right over it, and then press. Another thing you can do to help with the hold is heat up the emblem, just a bit with a hair dryer. If you don't have a heat gun, that'll help too. But I'm not planning on driving this truck tomorrow, and it's gonna be like 90 degrees out, so it's gonna cure pretty good. Simple mod, $40 mod, can change the look of a truck. Some people may love the chrome, I'm the people that hate chrome, which is why I'm deleting it. So now let's move to the driver's side and do that one. Yeah, I know some people may say, why would you spend $40 up to $50? I've seen these on eBay for $50, but some people might ask, like, or wonder why spend the money when I can literally go to Home Depot, buy a can of plasti dip for like 10 bucks, 12 with tax, and then just plasti dip these. When I had my BMW, I did plasti dip my emblems, plus I did plasti dip the wing I got, and it's cool. Yeah, like it gives it that blackout look, but over time, because plasti dip isn't meant to be on your car for a long time, and I left it on. It was on there for about a year, and then it just started like peeling. And when I tried taking it off, even though I applied like 8 to 10 layers, it was still so difficult. It was just flaky, and it was just the worst time ever. And plus, it was one wheel that had plasti dipped, and then when I went to go power wash my car, it literally just ripped right through the plasti dip. I was like, what? So yeah, some people may plasti dip these to save money if you don't have money to spend like $40 on just plastic, which is understandable. But if you do, go ahead and just get the overlays, or go ahead and even just get the whole thing, the actual like blacked out emblem, because overlays, for example, don't have the see-through A on both of them. Like, it's blocked off. I don't know if you guys could tell. Yeah, that's just something with overlays. So applying these just like the driver's side, just overlay it and press, and then just apply pressure for a few seconds. Boom. These aren't going anywhere. So there you have it, guys. Phase 1 of my chrome delete. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty simple, quick and easy. The link to these will be in the description. But yeah, remember guys, fly. Hope you guys liked this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more videos. Phase 2 will be in a few days. I'll probably make it and drop the video either on Friday or Saturday. Not too sure. I'm just rambling off now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember guys, live life.